Why, hello there, readers and writers. What do you say we mix things up a little bit? Why don't you be the leader and I'll repeat after you? So I know what you're thinking. How is Mrs. Holbrook going to hear us from home if we're on video? But I'm just going to guess. So you say them first and then I'll echo you. A apple A safe A. Go ahead, say E. E ed E P E. I itch I pine I. O octopus O home O. You up you mule you rule ooh. How'd we do? Did I echo you okay? Awesome. Let's do some standard sounds now. Same thing. I'll try to echo you this time. A apple A safe A. E ed E Pete E. I itch I pine I. O octopus O home O. You up you mule you rule ooh. WH w. SH sh. CK k. CK only comes where? At the end of a one-syllable word, right after the vowel. You do it first. ONG, song, ong. Honk, honk. ONK, honk, onk. N. And great job. We're back to the beginning. And today is a special day because we are going to do a new, well, not a new story. We're going to revisit a story that we did last week. Let me bring it up. Does anyone remember what the story was about? Yeah, it was about Jake the whale. I think we're just about there. Fred the frog, the skunk. Here we go. Here is the story from last week, Jake the whale. Okay, I want you to now close your eyes and see, can you picture in your head, can you remember what happened in this story? Okay, so let's read it together. And after each paragraph, we're going to stop and try to picture it in our heads. So read it with me. We're going to try to read the words that are scooped in one smooth phrase. Here we go. Jake the whale was very big. He had many whale friends. They all would ride the waves. Okay, stop and make a picture in your mind's eye. What do you see in your head? A big whale and a lot of friends. And yeah, I see blue waves and they're swimming, they're riding them. Cool, that's what I see. Okay, let's do this paragraph. One time, Jake and his friends were out on the waves, and Jake dove down into the sea. He went to hide, and his friends did not see where he went. Are you reading with me? Stay with me. They could not get him. I think that Jake is lost, said one of his friends. Okay, let's use our mind's eye now. What did you picture when you read that? Take a second, explain what you see. Yeah, I see them out in the waves. I see Jake going down. And then I see his friends freaking out. They're like, where'd Jake go? Oh no, where is he? Okay, let's read the last paragraph of the story. But Jake was not lost at all. He did a flip and a jump and was back with his other whale friends. They all swam into the big waves and had fun. What are you picturing in your head now? Yeah, that Jake comes out of that water and flips, and everyone looks happy because Jake wasn't lost and he was there. Excellent. So I want you to try to go ahead and retell this whole story. So tell at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. Go ahead. Okay, and let's talk about some of the feelings. How do you think he was feeling in the beginning? Yeah, I think he's happy, he's relaxed, he's hanging with his friends, chilling with his homies. All right, how about in the in the middle? How does he feel here? I think Jake still feels fine, but what about his friends? They're nervous, they're worried, they're anxious about him, they're scared. And what about at the end? I think his friends are relieved. They're like, phew, he's okay. They're happy and they're all having fun again. So, a lot of times in books and stories, feelings are kind of like a roller coaster ride. They change. Our characters go from one feeling to another. And that's a good thing for us to pay attention to while we read. It helps us connect and feel what the characters are feeling. Nice job with that reading and thinking, everybody. Now we are going to do a dictation practice. So I'm looking for you to use paper today. Okay, the paper looks like this. Again, if you don't have this paper, you can use plain paper or a whiteboard. Okay, so for today, it's a little bit different. It's kind of like practicing for a test. So instead of me showing you my answers after each one, we're going to do the whole page. And then at the end, I'll hold my whole thing up and you'll pause the screen and check your own work. You'll get to be the teacher for your own work. Okay? Are you ready to start with some sounds? Here we go. E. Write the sound E. How do you do the long E sound? Pause whenever you need to finish. 2. Y. Write the letter that says Y. Number 3. Write all 3 ways to say K. Okay, so for sounds, you should have E, Y, K. Pause until they're done. And then we'll go to review words. Repeat after me. Drilling. They're drilling a hole in the ground. What is the base word? Drill. Tap out drill. Get that blend. I. Write drill and then make it say drilling. Pause until you're done. Okay, please mark the blend, the bonus letter, and underline the base word. Circle the suffix. Number 2, thank. Be sure to thank your family for helping you. Thank. Please underline the digraph and box in the glued sound. Thank. Okay, you should have drilling and thank done, or pause here to get that done and mark them. Okay, 2 current words, things we're working on right now. Repeat after me. Grape. I love grape jelly. Tap it out and write it. Grape. Mark the blend and mark the syllable type and the vowel. Grape. Pause until you're done and let's do the word number 2. Throne. The king sat on a throne. Tap out throne. Own. Mark the digraph consonant blend and mark the syllable type and the vowel. Throne. Once you're done with grape and throne, we'll go to trick words. Pause until you finish. Here's our trick words. Friend. And number 2, where. Friend, where. Look those up if you need. Okay, and last but not least, our sentence. Repeat after me. She has the best smile. Let's count our words. She has the best smile. 5 words. She has the best smile. If you want to put the lines, you can like me, but you don't have to. So she is a trick word. I'll circle that. Has is a trick word. She has the best smile. You can tap out best and smile. Go ahead, pause here to do your sentence. She has the best smile. Okay, if you're back, let's check over the sentence. Did you start with an uppercase and end with a period? Did you check all your trick words in your notebook? And did you tap out the words best and smile? Okay, once you're feeling like everything is done and correct, I'm going to guide you through checking your work. First, I want you to check your sounds. E should be E-E, vowel consonant E. Y says Y, and these are the 3 ways to do K. Pause to fix anything you need to fix. Then we had drilling. We've got the DR blend and the bonus L, drilling. And then we had think. TH, the digraph should be underlined, and box the glued sound, A-N-K, ank. Pause to fix those. Okay, now we had grape. It's got the GR blend, and it's a vowel consonant E word. So we crossed off the E and put the macron over the A. And what was this word, everyone? Throne. We have the TH digraph blended with the R, and then the long O because the vowel consonant E. Pause if you need to fix them. Friend, remember it's got the word end in it because I will be your friend till the end. And then we have the question word where. Most question words start with WH. So if you forgot the H, that's how you can remember. And it's got the word here in it. Where are you? I'm here. And last but not least, check your sentence. She has the best smile. Once everything looks perfect, let's read it all together. Drilling, think, grape, throne, friend, where. She has the best smile. Great job, everybody. Good job for you if you took your time and fixed all your work. We'll see you next time.